अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट से रिलेटेड जितने भी एमसीक्यूज़ बन सकते हैं पीपीएससी के जीके बेस्ड एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए, एफपीएससी के लिए, और अभी रिसेंटली जो पेपर्स कंडक्ट होने हैं जिसमें पीपीएससी के थ्रू पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी में इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर, ऑडिट ऑफिसर का पेपर कंडक्ट होना है। इसके साथ ही एफजीईआई में टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग जॉब्स के पेपर्स कंडक्ट होने हैं जून में। उसके बाद एफआईए के तमाम सीट्स के अगेंस्ट जो पेपर्स कंडक्ट किए जाने हैं, सब के लिए ये टॉपिक इम्पोर्टेंट है। इस वीडियो को आपने पूरा लाजमी देखना है और इसको पढ़ते हुए जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको लगता है कि कुछ टाइम बाद आपको भूल जाएगी, वो आपने लाजमी तौर पर अपने पास अपने हैंड रिटन वन लाइनर्स में इंक्लूड करनी है, क्योंकि एंड टाइम पर पेपर से पहले जब आपने रिवीजन करनी होती है तो आप डिटेल्ड नोट से सारी रिवीजन नहीं कर सकते, बल्कि स्मार्ट स्ट्रेटजी यही होती है कि आप सिर्फ वही चीज़ें रिवाइज करें जो आपको टेम्पररीली याद होती हैं और कुछ टाइम बाद भूल जाती हैं, तो पेपर में फिर वो आपको याद रहती हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले है हमारे पास जनरल ओवरव्यू। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है, द लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट इन द वर्ल्ड by both area and population is Asia. Asia covers approximately 30% of the Earth's total land area. The continent is often referred to by geographers as the home of man. The total number of countries in Asia is 48. Largest country in Asia by land area is Russia and then followed by China. The most populous country in Asia as of 2026 is India. Smallest country in Asia by both area and population is Maldives. World's highest peak, Mount Everest, 8848 meter, is located in Nepal and China. The lowest point on earth, the Dead Sea, is located between Israel and Jordan. World's deepest lake, Lake Baikal, is located in Russia. Next section है physical geography, mountains, rivers and lakes. The mountain range that separates Asia from Europe is the Ural Mountains. Highest mountain range in the world located in Asia is the Himalaya. Second highest peak in the world, K2, also known as Gorbin Austin, is located in the Karakoram range in Pakistan. The roof of world refers to Pamir Plateau or sometimes Tibetan Plateau. The longest river in Asia is the Yangtze River in China. The Yellow River, Huanghe, is famously known as the Sorrow of China. The Mekong River is the longest river in Southeast Asia. World's largest lake by surface area located in Asia is the Caspian Sea. The river sacred to Hindu in India is the Ganges. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers flow through Iraq and were the cradle of the Mesopotamian civilization. Deserts, islands and peninsulas. The largest desert in Asia is the Gobi Desert, present in China and Mongolia. Largest desert in South Asia is the Thar Desert in Pakistan and India. World's largest peninsula located in Southwest Asia is the Arabian Peninsula. Largest island in Asia is Borneo, shared by Indonesia, Malaysia and Brunei. Largest archipelago country in the world and Asia is Indonesia. Honshu is the largest island of Japan. The Philippines is the Asian archipelago consisting of over 7,000 islands. Political and regional geography. The country known as Land of Rising Sun is Japan. The land of golden fiber refers to Bangladesh due to jute production. Land of Thousand Islands is title given to Indonesia. The country known as Land of Thunderbolts is Bhutan. The buffer state of Asia is Afghanistan. The only landlocked country in Southeast Asia is Laos. The Strait of Malacca connects Indian Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Strait of Hormuz connects Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman. Turkey and Russia are two transcontinental countries located in both Asia and Europe. Red Sea and Suez Canal separates Asia from Africa. The Bering Strait separates Asia from North America, or the Bering Strait separates Russia from USA. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है इम्पोर्टेंट स्टैटिस्टिक्स फॉर कंपैरेटिव एग्ज़ाम्स। Approximately 60% of the world's population resides in Asia. The world's largest bay is the Bay of Bengal. The steppes are the vast temperate grasslands found in Central Asia. Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world and Asia. Highest rainfall in the world is located at Mawsynram in India. Capital of Asian countries. Capital of Afghanistan, Kabul. Capital of Armenia, Yerevan. Capital of Azerbaijan, Baku. Capital of Bahrain, Manama. Capital of Bangladesh, Dhaka. Capital of Bhutan, Thimphu. Capital of Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan. Capital of Cambodia, Phnom Penh. Capital of China, Beijing. Cyprus, Nicosia. Georgia, Tbilisi. India, New Delhi. Capital of Indonesia, Nusantara. Formerly, capital was Jakarta. Capital of Iran is Tehran. Iraq, Baghdad. Israel, Jerusalem. Japan, Tokyo. Jordan, Amman. Kazakhstan, Astana. Capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City. Kyrgyzstan, Bishkek. Laos, Vientiane. Lebanon, Beirut. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Maldives, Male. Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. Myanmar, also known as Burma, is Naypyidaw. Capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Capital of North Korea is Pyongyang. Oman is Muscat. Pakistan, Islamabad. Palestine, Ramallah. Philippines, Manila. Qatar, Doha. Capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Singapore is Singapore. South Korea, Seoul. Capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte. Capital of Syria is Damascus. Taiwan is Taipei. Tajikistan is Dushanbe. Capital of Thailand is Bangkok. Timor-Leste is Delhi. Turkey is Ankara. Capital of Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. UAE is Abu Dhabi. Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Yemen, Sana'a. Currencies of Asian countries. Currency of Afghanistan is Afghani. Armenia is Dirham. Currency of Azerbaijan is Manat. Bahrain, Bahraini dinar. Bangladesh is Taka. Bhutan, Nagaltram. Currency of Brunei is Brunei dollar. Currency of Cambodia is Riel. Currency of China is Yuan, Renminbi. Cyprus, Euro. Georgia, Lari. Currency of Indonesia is Rupiah. Iran, Rial. Iraq is Iraqi dinar. Currency of Israel is New Shekel. Currency of Japan is Yen. Currency of Jordan is Jordanian dinar. Currency of Kazakhstan is Tenge. Currency of Kuwait is Kuwaiti dinar. Currency of Kyrgyzstan is Som. Currency of Laos is the Kip. Currency of Lebanon is Lebanese pound. Malaysia, Ringgit. Maldives, Rufiyaa. Mongolia, Togrog. Currency of Myanmar is Kyat. Currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee. Currency of North Korea is North Korean won. Currency of Oman is Omani Rial. Currency of Pakistan is Pakistani rupee. Philippines is Philippine peso. Currency of Qatar is Qatari Rial. Currency of Saudi Arabia is Saudi Rial. Currency of Singapore is Singapore dollar. South Korea is South Korean won. Currency of Sri Lanka is Sri Lankan rupee. Currency of Syria is Syrian pound. Currency of Taiwan is New Taiwan dollar. Currency of Tajikistan is Somoni. Currency of Thailand is Baht. Currency of Turkey is Turkish lira. Currency of Turkmenistan is Turkmenistan manat. Currency of UAE is UAE dirham. Currency of Uzbekistan is Uzbekistan som. Currency of Vietnam is dong. Currency of Yemen is Yemeni rial. News agencies of Asian countries. News agency of Afghanistan is Bakhtar News Agency BNA. News agency of Azerbaijan is Azertec. News agency of Bangladesh is Bangladesh Sangbad Sangstha. News agency of China is Xinhua. News agency of India is Press Trust of India. News agency of Indonesia is Antara. News agency of Iran is Islamic Republic News Agency. News agency of Iraq is National Iraqi News Agency. News agency of Israel is ITIM. Japan Kyodo News. Jordan Petra. Kazakhstan Kazani Form. Kuwait News Agency. Kyrgyzstan is Kabar. Laos is Lao News Agency. Lebanon National News Agency. Malaysia Bernama. Mongolia Montsem. News Agency of Myanmar Myanmar News Agency. नेपाल राष्ट्रीय समाचार समिति. नॉर्थ कोरिया कोरियन सेंट्रल न्यूज़ एजेंसी. ओमान ओमान न्यूज़ एजेंसी. पाकिस्तान एसोसिएटेड प्रेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान. फिलिपाइन न्यूज़ एजेंसी. कतर न्यूज़ एजेंसी. सऊदी अरेबिया सऊदी प्रेस एजेंसी. साउथ कोरिया योनहैप. श्रीलंका लंका पुवात. सीरियन अरब न्यूज़ एजेंसी. ताजिकिस्तान खोबर. थाईलैंड थाई न्यूज़ एजेंसी. तुर्किया एनादोलो एजेंसी. UAE एमाइरेट्स न्यूज़ एजेंसी. उज़्बेकिस्तान नेशनल न्यूज़ एजेंसी. वियतनाम न्यूज़ एजेंसी. यमन सबा न्यूज़ एजेंसी. लास्ट सेक्शन है हमारे पास आज का मेजर पीक्स एंड जनरल रिकॉर्ड्स. द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इन एशिया एंड द वर्ल्ड इज़ माउंट एवरेस्ट of 8848.86 meters. Mount Everest is located in the Himalaya on the border of Nepal and China. Local name of Mount Everest in Nepal is Sagarmatha. The Tibetan name for Mount Everest is Chomolungma. Second highest peak in the world, K2, also known as Godwin Austen, is located in Karakoram range. K2 is situated in Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan. Height of K2 is 8611 meters. Third highest peak in the world, located in Himalaya between Nepal and India, is Kangchenjunga. World's fourth highest peak is Al-Hots, located adjacent to Mount Everest. World's fifth highest peak is Makalu, located in Himalaya. Mountain known as Killer Mountain is Nanga Parbat, located in Pakistan. Height of Nanga Parbat 8126 meters. The peak Broad Peak K3 is the 12th highest in the world and is located in Karakoram range. ये एशिया से रिलेटेड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs हैं जो तमाम जनरल नॉलेज के पेपर्स में रिपीट होते हैं. आई होप कि आज की ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए यूज़फुल रही हो. इसी तरह की और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए अगर आप चाहें तो मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. साथ में मौजूद बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करना है ताकि जब न्यू वीडियोस अपलोड हों तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़. द मोस्ट पॉपुलर सिटी इन एशिया एंड द वर्ल्ड इज़ टोक्यो. The headquarters of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations (ASEAN) is in Jakarta in Indonesia.